Sometimes you have an image in JPG format, but you need it as PNG, or maybe the other way around. Don't worry, it's very easy to switch between these formats. The first method is using Google. Just search for JPG to PNG. You will find many free online tools. Upload your image, click convert, and then download the new one. Quick and simple. The second method is using a Paint on Windows. Open your image with Paint, then go to File, Save As. From the list, choose the format you want, like JPG or PNG, and save it. That's it. Your image is now converted without installing any extra programs or apps. Now let's see how to turn an image into a PDF file. One of the easiest ways is using a website called I Love PDF. Just open the website and from the tools, choose JPG to PDF, upload your image, adjust the settings if you want, and click convert to PDF. In a few seconds, you can download your new PDF file. This is very useful when you need to send documents, invoices, or even multiple pictures in one single file. And the best part is that I Love PDF has many other tools you can use. So it's not only for images, but complete toolbox for your documents. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.